Alright everybody, welcome back to part 3 of the Operation Combination Battle Gaia review. And so here we have the leader, Great Cannon. Since he's based on the Onslaught mold. And when I got him, he basically had the your basic, it's like Onslaught weapons, also used for hotspot. But you know, with a name like Great Cannon, I thought that he kind of needed more. So, you know, we went with the Matrix Workshop M-33b guns. And as a nice little bonus, they even threw this blast effect in. So, that was pretty neat of them. I can just take the blast effect, if you will. Get it out of there. There we go, and just hook that up to one of the cannons. So, boom, looking like he's firing. That was like a nice little piece. So, get that out of the way. And yeah, basically an Onslaught painted blue, much like the United Warriors version. I'm not sure if this was based after. And then you also have the other piece there of the Matrix Workshop M-33b. So yeah, this one was, again, so I upgraded this one with the guns. It was pretty perfect. I did run some blue here. You can see some of the blue breakup. It had a lot of like very weird looking gray. So it gives this weathering effect on the legs. Apparently it had the one parts of the legs like reversed. So which I found a little bit interesting. So I had to clip those. And the only other, this one is the one that has the shapeways upgrades. Basically I got the SteamShield hip pieces so it can stand straighter. So yeah. Anyway, let's get the guns off. Again, you can easily get these on eBay, and you can see just the size differences. How these work along. So let's get to it. Yeah, most of the chest has been repainted black for the combined mode. So just slowly, come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Gotta be a little careful with this one. Just had to shave the pieces there inside his leg. Just what happened to the foot there. Alright, and there you have Great Cannon in his robot mode. So, now let's armor him up these huge blasters. Yeah, again, they didn't give these guys much of a personality, so with a name like Great Cannon, I'm going to say he's kind of like pretty full of himself. And I'm going to say that he has, it's like, basically speaks with a in the third person, always referring to himself as Great Cannon. Great Cannon will lead the team to victory. Everybody follow Great Cannon. You know, things like that. Always refer to himself as Great Cannon. Great Cannon's really upset about this. Yeah. That's that's like a personality trait that I just basically make him speak in the third person. So you can see very clean blues. So, yeah. That's like with the gray painted there. Yeah. A little bit open there in the leg, but I did my best to pop open the one thing. So anyway, Let's get the team together. Yeah, this is the Battle Gaia team. They're all led by the High Regent, Decepticon High Regent Scratch. And they try to attack the Earth and claim all the resources. Yes, we'll probably get into Scratch later in the near future. So yeah, that's the whole team for you. I'll bring some of them in. Yeah. And yeah, like these are they were some of the last that's like released during G1, and they command really high prices now. The whole Battle Gaia team, that's like on sites like eBay and whatnot. So have a bit of an interesting history, and I hear people asking for redecos, like for all those third-party Bruticus's of this team. But time will tell if we'll ever get one outside of maybe a convention exclusive. So yeah. And also, you know, they have their free combiner, so they have like multiple different formations for combining. We're gonna get into all of them. It's like very soon. So yep, stay tuned next. It's like for the combined form of Battle Gaia. Later.